The experience has been truly beneficial. This workshop has attached my dreams to what I'm going to do next. I've never experienced anything like this. What caused me to join this workshop is I'm in a stage of a lot of transitions in my life. So I felt like this was the perfect time for me to really hone in on what exactly do I want in my life moving forward.
I signed up because we're struggling with the overwhelm that comes with having a new company and lots of demand. So I said, why don't we go to this together? It was more than I expected.
First time I did this, I wasn't clear on what it was I wanted or what I was doing. This time around, business is really well. Business is expanding. It has been a dream come true. But I am a big believer that if you want a dream to continuously come true, it needs maintenance, it needs attention, it needs to be taken care of.
I love the fact that there's a great blueprint for how to move forward in life. With the structure, it's really going to help me move forward faster, which is what I need right now. Time is of the essence.
Before the workshop, I feel like my vision was kind of all over the place. And now I feel like I have more clarity on where I want to go in my life in a plan. So not just what I want to do, but having a plan. If you said, oh, here's a worksheet and this is how you fill it out, I wouldn't have done it because there's so many things to do. But having to actually sit here with a bunch of other awesome women and the chat really helped me. That's a priceless experience. It just really helped me think bigger.
I've heard about the vision board. This actually has steps and a thought process to follow, which is great.
My experience in this workshop has been amazing. I don't know what I was expecting, but it was like even more than what I expected. I feel like I've got a very solid starting point now. Your prompts helped me expand my thinking to think deeper and bigger than just surface level. I would definitely tell someone to come to this, even if it's not a business person, even just personally for a lot of people. I think this is a really neat way to literally map out your life.
I want to make sure that I'm presenting myself personally and business-wise the best person I can be. I never want to go backwards. I just want to continuously go forward.
I feel like reconnected with my inner dream. Thank you so very much.